Got the spy.
He's pulling his cock out!
My teleporter entrance at spawn is getting hit.
Yeah, it's this,
Sure.
I mean,
All right.
Ooh, nice.
hey, if you do, you have to credit my channel. I do have a channel by the same exact name. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna shamelessly plug mine right here.
No.
Yeah, honestly, that's
Scottish
about where I'm
drunk
at, too.
man.
I'm only at like 81, 82, some stupid number like that. I'm not good. Not yet, at least.
I'm friends with someone who has like 1,000, maybe 1,100.
I would not be against having more, obviously. I do not upload enough. You
Wait,
can do
could
a small
someone,
channel, I believe in you.
could someone like could someone change to heavy and then die so I can take the minigun and do the A pose funny?
Yeah, I got you.
Alright, let me...
The enemy has gone.
Alright, hang on, let me go to the more open spawn. Then empty my minigun. Average TF2 lobby. Alright, now I need to, there. And there we go.
Subscribe. Please like, comment, and share with friends. If you like this video, smash that like button.
Our intelligence standards are nowadays.
Smash the like button, ring the bell, share with your friends. Relentlessly send this video to your mother-in-law.
Where's the dance? I want to dance.
Alert. The enemy has taken our intelligence.
I was once in a match where literally everyone was doing the conga, and red team just did it all the way into blue's intel 3 times and then took it back to base. The conga was happening the entire time.
Diamond Pig, it's the same name as my. Oh shit, hold on, hold on, I gotta find you.
Alert. The enemy has dropped our intelligence.
I am now subscribed. You are now at 82 subscribers.
Yeah, Damucus, the thing is, since you like don't have very many subs or whatever, you don't show up like.
Yeah, I know. I know. It's been really hard to get people to do anything whenever I tell them, oh yeah, no, you just gotta look up my name, and they're like, I can't fucking find you.
Yeah, I know. Hang on, let me keep checking.
The enemy has taken our intelligence.
It's the same. It's the profile picture for it is the same one on this too, because I'm just that fucking creative.
No, yeah, I use this exact same name for everything.
What's funny is that you're the first person to actually you're the first person to pronounce my name correctly. Without me telling you, everybody else says Damucus.
Hang on, let me.
Alert. The enemy has taken our intelligence.
Why don't you try searching up Damucus YouTube and look at all the different things. Like, it's so hard to find you. Wait, they have a sentry in our base?
Yeah, holy shit, there's young Damucus topic.
The enemy has
Dimuk.
taken our intelligence.
And those are the only ones that have, like, similarities in my name. After that, it
Yeah,
goes
I
to
know.
Dasnot. Dasme and Dasnot. Go on, search up the
Damn,
name, and then
damn.
at the top, just click channels. At the top where it
Damn,
has
damn.
filters, click channels. Also, please do just ignore my fucking, ignore my bio. I wrote that like forever ago, and I have not.
The enemy has dropped our intelligence.
Bye, YouTube.